Hi, my seminar presentation on mind reading computer. Here is the table of contents. Introduction. What is mind reading? Why mind reading? How does it work? Advantages and uses, disadvantages and problems, and finally conclusion. Let us begin with the introduction. People express their mental states, including emotions, thoughts, and desires, all the time through facial expressions, vocals, and gestures. This is true even when they are interacting with machine. Here, machine reading, mind reading means uh, the computer detects the facial expression and mind state of a person. The ability to attribute mental states to others from their behavior and to use that knowledge to guide of own actions and predict of those others is known as theory of mind or mind reading. Computer interfaces are mind blind, obviously, to the user's mental states and intentions. Even if they do not take the initiative, like the now retired Microsoft Paperclip, they are often misguided and irrelevant and simply frustrate the users. What is mind reading? Mind reading, for example, if the thief murders someone and doesn't surrender to the cop, and during this time, the mind reading computer technique can be used to detect the facial expression and mind state of the person so that the thief can be caught easily by his mentally state and by his facial expressions. Using a digital video camera, the mind reading computer system analyzes a facial expression in real time and infers that person underlying mental state. Software from Nivin version identifies 24 feature points. Here we use the software called Navin Vision, which identifies 24 feature points on the face and tracks them in a real time. The relationship between observable head and facial displays and the corresponding hidden mental states over time is modeled using dynamic Bayesian network. Process of mind reading. Here in the image, there is a facial expression of a person which can be given in detail. Why is mind reading? The mind reading computer system presents information about your mental state as easily as a keyboard and mouse present text and commands. The mind reading computer, it gives the information as more fast. The computer which gives the present information of your mental state as easily like a keyboard and a mouse which gives us a text and commands. Current projects in Cambridge are considering further input such as body posture and gestures to improve the inference. As now of only the mind state is being researched, and the further the project, the Cambridge projects are researching some new things which consists of body posture and gestures to improve the interference. The mind reading computer system may also be used to monitor and suggest improvements in human interactions. Here in the example given given in the image, you can observe the woman is driving a car. If we want to know the mental state of a person uh, about the driver, we can use this technique and we can detect the person's mental state, whether they are drowsiness or distraction, whatever it may be. It's so useful in this type of kind monitoring in a car driver. Actually, how does it works? Here we use futuristic headband, which is a technique used by a FNIRS, which is called as functional near infrared spectroscopy. The mind reading actually involves measuring the volume and oxygen level of the blood around the subject's brain using technology called FNIRS. The user wears a sort of acoustic headband and sends the light in that spectrum into the tissues of the head where it is absorbed by active blood filled tissues. Here you can observe in the image the futuristic headband is very similar to that of helmet. The small circle red points indicate that where the infrared rays can directly absorb to the blood tissues in the brain so that it can detect the mental state of a person. The results are often compared to an MRI but can be gathered with lightweight. This is very similar to of MRI scanning, but whereas here we use a lightweight equipment. Wearing the FNIRS sensor, experimental subjects were asked to count the number of squares on a rotating on the screen cube and to perform the other task to check the mental ability of the persons uh, by wearing a FNRS sensor. The computer gives a number of squares on a rotating screen to count it and to perform the task simultaneously on the other hand. The subjects were then asked to rate the difficulty of the task and their ratings agreed with the work intensity detected by FNIRS system up to 83% of the time. Measuring the mental workload, frustration, and distraction is typically limited to qualitatively observing the computer users. And this type of mental states person can be only be seen in the most of the person who use the computers um, like uncountably per day. A computer program which can read silently spoken words by analyzing nerve signals in our mouths and throats has been developed by NASA. And the result of the picture is given here, where the person is sitting in front of the system and detecting and counting the number of cubes on the rotating screen so that the infrared light goes to the blood tissues in the brain and detects the problem of the person of his mental state. Advantages of using mind reading is this prototype mind controlled wheelchair developed from the University of Electrocommunication in Japan. This is also one similar kind of mind reading computers. Uh, The finding raises issues about the application of such tools for screening suspected terrorists as well as predicting future dangerous more generally. As I given example previous slide, this can be used to detect some of the very dangerous terrorists. Where if the terrorist has been so we have been suspecting some problem on a terrorist, we can well predict him by using this type of technique in well advanced in future to avoid the future dangerous. The day when computers will be able to recognize the smallest units in English, the language, the 40 odd basic sounds out of which all words or verbalized thoughts can be constructed. It can identify all the silly words or small words in English language or in other language. It rapidly collects the information. Disadvantage: nor in the society ready to deal with the ethical and practical problems posed by system that classifies and categorizes people based on oxygen flow, genetics, and environmental factors that are correlated as much with poverty as with future criminality. The main disadvantage of this type of technique is the people in the societies are not ready to this kind of techniques or a machine kind techniques. So this is the main disadvantage we are facing here. The conclusion of this mind reading computer is the other way of detecting the mental state is to be done with the help of futuristic headband, which sends an infrared light into head's tissues, which absorb the light. The amount of light which are not absorbed help in detecting the various mental states. That information is then transferred to the computer, and from there the computer can adjust its interface and functions to each individual. And the references of this is given below. Thank you.